Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain MasterClass app review to see if it's worth using. The MasterClass app gives you access to exclusive video lessons taught by top professionals and celebrities in various fields. So, for one annual subscription to get unlimited access to hundreds of classes, each broke down into bite-sized, highly quality videos with downloadable workbook and community space for discussion. The app is well designed, easy to use, encourage being worth learning and cinematic production. Whether you want to learn a new hobby or gain deeper insight into your profession, Masterclass makes education feels inspiring and accessible. So, Masterclass is best for curious learners and creativities who value high production, big name teachers, and self-paced lesson. It's not for technical skills building or certification, but it's ideal if you are motivated by storytelling and expert insight across many subjects. And that's it.